Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What you're seeing right now is some incredible POV footage that I caught from my last trip to Portugal. This was in June 2024 and the roads were just amazing and the views were even better. It was fantastic. And I'd like to know if this is the sort of content you'd like to see, as I've got hours and hours of footage, but I'm not sure if it's the sort of content you'd like to see on this channel. So please let me know in the comments. But that's not all I want to do with this channel. I also want to get your opinion on if motorcycle reviews would be interesting. I would like to cover the latest news, personal test rides, and even comparisons across different bikes and different models. Whether that be new models or comparing the new versus the old. I'd like to cover it all. I'd also want to cover MotoGP, as I'm a huge fan, especially of Marc Marquez. So this is the sort of things I'd like to do with the channel. I really wanted to get your opinion on it all. So my question to you is, would you be interested in this channel's direction? I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback you've got. So could you please hit that like button and straight away get into the comments section and start letting me know. And whilst you're down there, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. Hope to see you back again soon. But for now, just enjoy this POV footage.